So it's pretty obvious because of this coronavirus epidemic, we are possibly, I don't even want to say possibly, we are going to go into a recession. And this video is definitely to help you prepared. What should you do when we are going in a recession and you have not done a damn thing to get yourself ready to make money? For those of you who do not know me, my name is Nakia. I am known as Beauty Cut Right, and here on this channel I do and talk about everything beauty, fashion, fitness, lifestyle, as well as money and finance, or business and finance as a serial entrepreneur. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 things you definitely should be doing right now to increase your income during this recession. There are some things that is very important that you take note of when it comes to your financial goals, your financial situation. You should be trying to do these things even if we were not in a recession. So there's 3 things that I would love for you guys to take action on and do right now. If you have not done these steps, do them as you're watching this video. If you've already performed a few of these steps, listen, make sure that you perform all 3. 1, if you have not done this already, you want to open a brokerage account. You can make money online now if you just do this. Now, I know people are like, the stock market is going down and value of people's stock portfolios are going down. Understandable enough, but there is a plan of action that you can take. So if you've already done this and you're noticing that your brokerage account is losing its value because of what's going on in the world, it's okay. I'll tell you what you should do about that. But if you do not have a brokerage account, you should open one. Look down below for a link. Robinhood is one of the best online or app platforms to actually start creating a stock portfolio. I have several stock portfolios actually. I have one with my bank, which is Chase. I also have one with Thinkorswim, which is TD Ameritrade, and I also have one with Robinhood. And each one of those are for a particular goal that I have in mind. I have a plan of action for those 3 different stock portfolios. So I'm not suggesting that you have to do 3 of them. If it's your first time getting into investing in any way in businesses, definitely start with Robinhood. You can do it right on your phone, no issue. Look down below for that first step. Open a brokerage account. If you already have one but you don't have a mobile one, Robinhood is good. The link down below will allow you to get your first stock free. So make sure that you check that link and you will get your free stock. So for those of you who have never opened a brokerage account before and you decide to do it in this video, you need to start funding it. It takes some time to get things going, but start funding your brokerage account. What I mean is start putting money into it. It doesn't matter how much you put into it. Put something into it. Start building your stock portfolio with putting money in it so that you're ready to buy. Now, if you already have a stock portfolio, if you already have a brokerage account, in this case is what I'm talking about, and you have it with Robinhood and you don't know what to do next, considering what's going on, my suggestion to you is to be patient, wait, watch, and continue to fund your account so that your account has the money it needs to get started buying businesses, stocks in this case, when the time is ready, when the time is ready for it. You have that saved into your brokerage account. You have the money that you've been putting in during this period of time, paying yourself first, but in a better way, because that money is going to make you money back if you just stay patient, stay the course, do these 2 things. Open your brokerage account and then start funding it. If you've done those things, your next step is to create an investment plan. now. Meaning that it is very, very, very important that you have a plan on how you are going to reach whatever financial goal that you are trying to reach. If you do not have an investment plan, you will not succeed. There are strategies involved to building a profitable stock portfolio, and one of those ways is by having a strategy, a plan of action. If you do not have a plan, or you do not know how to create a plan, this is my third and final tip to you. Look down below for a link so that you can learn how to create your very own stock portfolio investment plan. Whatever your financial goal is, it does not matter if it's for retirement, for a vacation, to buy a house, to buy a car, to get rid of debt, or just to supplement your income. You need to have a plan. You need to have a strategy. So there's a link down below for you to get the training on that, because that is so necessary. So now that you have your brokerage account, now that you are starting to fund it, and how much you should fund into your account is totally up to you. But if you're not exactly sure how, then you need to make sure that you get the investment plan. Make sure you know how to do that. Again, if you don't know how, again, look down below. Links are there for you to get your brokerage account. I don't have money for you. You have to put the money in for yourself. But that's tip number 2. And then number 3, you need to create an investment plan. Look down the link below so that you can learn exactly how to do that step by step. So, considering that the coronavirus epidemic has caused us to almost put a halt on our lives, you are probably at home in quarantine, helping to keep each other safe and healthy. What are you doing with this time? Are you learning anything new about the stock market? Are you learning anything new about making money online? Are you learning anything new that can help you financially, health-wise, physically, as well as emotionally and mentally? What are you learning? I want to know down below. Comment. Let me know. What are you learning? Have you learned anything from this video? If you have and you want to know more, again, look down for those 3 steps. Make sure you check out those links. There is an investment plan that is waiting for you. You can learn from that, and I will see you guys in the next video. So all my stocks on all of my stock brokerage accounts have gone down. Yes, the value of my stock portfolios have gone down. However, I got a plan. My plan is to readjust my investment plan.